Yeah. Okay. Yes. Back to Skywars. This for some reason zooming in the mirror is like weird. The view. Yeah. Very weird. Okay. Then you loot up and this rush mid. Or not rush mid, just go mid, you know. Bam, pop. Okay, come here. Come on. Come on. You won't. Who's gonna be first? Who's gonna be first? You are? See you later then. Who's next? You? I have strength, buddy. I still killed you. Ah. Bing, boom, easy. Yeah. I still died, but I'm still fine. Okay. Okay, let's be scout. But this zooming is just so weird. Feels so awkward. We got a glass cage over there. That, boom. But that didn't take gold. Apples. Take that. Okay, I'm priest. I'm not stacked, but yeah. Okay. There he went mid. Okay. Hey, yeah, you. Oh. About to die. Speed. And you dead. Try to teleport? No. Yeah, man, I'm stacked now. Give me that, thank you. Oh, what are you trying to do, huh? Dead. Dead. Thank you for a sword, I really appreciate it. Oh, who's over here? Who's this guy? Dead. I have strength, nerd. You're dead. You're dead. Who's next, huh? Who's next? You're next? You're dead. Oh, GG's. Oh my gosh. Man, they just got destroyed. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Why would you rest someone with strength? Okay, we got a level 2 and level 4. Oh my gosh. But they might be level 100, who knows. Very skeptical about that, Alex. Alright, sword. Armor. Helmet. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Someone fell. Or people already fell. Oh, that guy just fell. So smart. These guys are so good. Oh, hello. Sorry, Alex. I need to kill you. He's not dead. He's not dead. He's about to die. Please. Spare me. Oh. I'm just gonna yank those and run. Yank those and run. Hey, sir, give me your strength. Give me your strength. Oh, lag? What? No. Oh. Thank you. GG's, easy. Go. A little bit of lag there, but it's fine. Oh yeah. You never rush a man with strength or else you're dead. One last game, yeah. I'm skeptical if I should use baseball or scout. The middle is good for scout, but the outside is good for baseball. I'm just gonna risk it. Hello, game. I'm gonna risk it for baseball. Who's in spring break? Spring break was like last year. You like those? Come on. Okay. If I get mid, oh, there was that guy. Oh, there's about to go me. Hey, yeah, you over there. Oh, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. No, I was just kidding. No, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I was kidding. Oh, someone's coming from behind. Watch out. Whoops. My hand slipped. Yeah, sorry. Oh, nice boots I have there. Shiny. Ah! Oh, no. Ah, psych. Okay, GG's guys. Thank you for watching. See ya later.